Welcome back to Easy Crypto. Not financial advice, just easy crypto updates. Like, share, and repost, and watch to the end. We've been following Bitcoin closely this past week, and we're going to continue that today as we're in our weekend. And so today our story begins all the way back to the last halving cycle. We reviewed this in the past, the days after the halving to the high. We've had the parabolic chart patterns, which we're not having right now. But let's start with a little bit of time frame here. Back after the last halving in 2020, we saw to this high here, it was 338 days. And we'll look where we are now. But I want to focus in, dive in deeper, that between October and December was when we had this giant massive push all the way up here, 189%. We could probably even take it higher up to this point to the end of December, 260%. That's where all the parabolic gains were made. That's the parabola. Consolidation, blow off top, and back into the bear market. So that short period of time, October, November, December, it just shot right up. So that's where we want to focus on where we are now. So let's fast forward to today, to the current halving period in April of 24. And we have this slow uptrend to the right. And we notice right here, we had this stair-stepping going on. So stair-stepping is a normal parabolic process where it stair-steps up the parabola. So it goes up and over, up and over, up and over. So we had that, but then we just consolidated, we stair-stepped again, and now we've just been consolidating. So right now, we are already 489 days since the halving. So it's about 100 days more than the last parabola 4 years ago. So I have this period marked out from now until December. Is this when we're going to hit our parabolic phase from here, from October to December? Is Bitcoin going to break out and just have that parabola shaped increase right here? Time will tell. But that's, if markets rhyme, then we are so close to that breakout, all-time high, and the parabolic move, which we predicted, even if Bitcoin only does 100%, could be almost $250,000. So we're closely watching Bitcoin right now for that parabolic move so we can suck up everyone else with it and get our alt season going. But we want to also throw in the Fibonacci retracement here from this last low right here on our line up until today, right? We're right on that midline. But something you're going to need to notice, we put that to October, Bitcoin has been tapping on this Fibonacci level again and again and again. And right now it's holding a little bit here. Let's zoom in a little more. Where it's holding at, right at the 0.236. So we see the Fibonacci levels, how important they played in here. We broke out, came back, broke out, came back. Now maybe we're having a breakout leading us up into this parabolic phase here. If we follow this midline all the way up here, we could be right in our zone. Right about there. It could break out right in the middle of November. So that's one of the possibilities that we're looking for here with Bitcoin. So take a look, do your homework, be on the lookout because this will happen fast. It happens so fast. When we look back, that parabolic just shoots up. So hopefully that's what we're going to get this time. I'm so excited. watch Bitcoin slide on up. And when it does, and it hits that parabolic phase, don't forget, take your profits.